Tony Sadi, Program Manager for the School of IT here at Whitireia and WelTec. My main role and teaching has been in the area of programming and software development courses in the degree and postgraduate level programs. My research is mostly around work-based learning and entrepreneurship in IT, and looking at how we can get our graduates into industry and into their roles as quickly as they graduate. I have been involved in the IT industry and the education sector for the past 19 years. As part of that journey, I have been able to find a passion where I feel very lucky to be able to help students, to be able to help individuals find their own passion and see what they want to do in their life and how they can contribute to this towards the society using IT. For an IT graduate, involves for them to become an independent learner, for them to continue on their journey and career path, for them to upskill themselves, or they have the ability to upskill themselves when the time comes. We are very excited. It's really exciting to have an IT career that changes or provides you at least the opportunity to change. So when those opportunities comes, our students will be right there and ready to be able to embark on those. Being able to work in a multicultural, versatile, future-proven type of industry, I think would be one of the key skills that our students gain. So by the time they're ready for the big white wall. So you can throw anything at them and they are able to adapt and change. We are very lucky to have a set of experts within our team who support our students, so the tutors, that help the students in the individual path. But the students who could be interested in the IT degree would range from anybody who wants to work in the IT industry, within government, within business, within education, within health. So it's a really wide range between cybersecurity and all the technologies that's currently used and sought after right now. At Wellington, we are in the center and the hub of IT industry. As far as I'm concerned, the government's right next door. We have got some huge IT organizations like Datacom, like TradeMe, like Xero, and so on in Wellington. So they are one of the main employers of some of our graduates, and the space has been working really, really well. So what we offer in our courses in the degree and the postgraduate is very, very closely aligned to what the industry demands right now. And that just makes the students so much more work ready and in high demand in order for them to get those roles. Looking at the industry is at the moment, there is very, very clear that there's big demand, that there's a shortage for IT graduates and people with the right skills. So our students are finding jobs as soon as they finish, some even in the last semester of the study while they are involved in the industry capstone project. So I would say yes, I believe definitely that there is a shortage, and it should be quite easy for our students to find jobs. We also do a lot of collaboration with the industry in terms of looking for internships and job opportunities for our students while they study with us. So the opportunities are out there. It's just kind of looking at what actually suits an individual best and how to achieve them. The skills of our graduates vary depending on the subject area, the major they concentrate on. But if I have to summarize that, I would say it involves a whole bunch of technical skills that is future-proof. And as well as that, I think one of the main things that our graduates find is the ability for them to pursue a career that will last a lifetime. So IT roles will change. I can guarantee you that, because we have experienced that right from the start. It will not remain the same. But that makes IT so much more exciting and unique, where we have got the opportunity to be able to pursue new career paths, look at new stuff that's coming up. So it just makes it so much more exciting, flexible, and versatile. And it's a global technical skills that students can take with themselves anywhere that they go. I believe strongly that the IT future is going to change more towards new technology that are coming out. Technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud are going to have a huge impact on industries and individual careers in the future. So at Whitireia and WelTec, we are at the right place and equipped with all the necessary skills and expertise to be able to assist students into those roles. So future-proofing students and being progressive and thinking about the new jobs that are coming out is one of the key things that we have been focusing on for the last several years, and we are quite pleased that we are in the right place to be able to offer that to students.